Hello and welcome to this video where we're drilling spring greens with a Case Farmall 85A and Sfoggia Calibra precision drill. So it's a bit windy when the footage was shot with the drone and I'm trying to control it whilst drilling. It's a really simple one without follow me, so I hope you enjoy this video. As you can see, the ground conditions are nearly ideal, so on with the show. So see, I take a few shunts on the ends to avoid hitting the electric fence with the drill or tractor. Been there, done that once, don't want to do it again. But the seed is going in nicely. I'm doing about 5cm spacings, gives us room for wastage, and about 4k forward speed. So going well so far. I've had a couple of changes of seed during the course of the video so far. We've done 2 different varieties of spring cabbages, moved on to sprouting broccoli, which I know it's getting a bit late for, and also doing some radishes in here, all with the same discs, all set for similar spacings. There is a bit of flea beetle around in the area, so make sure we've got plenty of seed going in. To do 4 beds of spring cabbage on here, or 20 rows, took around 40 grams of seed at the spacing we're doing, which wasn't too bad at all. You can see the tractor handles this drill no problem. We've got it set how it is so it covers the seed at the ends, just letting the units drag along a bit longer than the wheels do. We aren't using anything in the micro granule kit on this drill whilst doing this. There is the option that we could put micro granular fertilizer on with this, but this field has had a cover crop on it, so we're not too concerned about that at the moment. We're not using the markers currently either, because we're just using the tractor wheels to mark. The markers will come in at a later point when we're leaving spaces for the next season. At least the sun has come out now and still doing a good job. So just about finished now. Unfortunately on this last run the one of the clod levelling boards did pick up a weed in front of it. This field was all sprayed for a few weeds before drilling, unfortunately. But we'll update in a couple of weeks time once the seed is up. But there's the drill itself. So you've got the various suction and cleaning hoses on there into each unit. Driving around 450 on the PTO for this. Single line seeding. Bit of a better shot from above there. Got the little silver vacuum unit on the side there. Got a filter there as well. It also got the seed suction kit on there, which makes it very handy for cleaning the units out. But on that note, that's where we're going to leave this video. So for now, I will say thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again in the next one. Goodbye for now.